When it comes to application tracking, Recruit CRM takes the stress out of hiring. But once candidates and clients move to phone conversations, things get messy real quick. Multiple clients, multiple roles, hundreds of shortlisted CVs, and suddenly, manual call tracking becomes a job of its own. Take that headache away. Integrate CrispCall with Recruit CRM and breathe easy. Get calling, SMS, their logs, voicemails, recordings, even contacts and call notes auto-synced under each candidate profile. All of it, without any back and forth between apps. Here's how you do it in a few simple steps. Sign up or log in to your CrispCall account. Go to Settings, head over to Integrations, search for Recruit CRM, and click Connect. A pop-up asks for your Recruit CRM details. Now head over to Settings on your Recruit CRM account. Go to the API, copy the active API token, paste it with your valid credentials in the pop-up, and click on Connect. Now your integration is completed successfully. When ready, edit your integration settings to customize data sync preferences. Toggle the buttons in the general settings to enable and disable contacts and note sync options. Then, in workflow settings, configure specific call, voicemail, and SMS activities to sync. Further, in connected numbers, add numbers for calls and SMS separately to use for this integration. Once done, start by creating candidate and client contacts in CrispCall. Contacts created and imported in CrispCall immediately sync into Recruit CRM, and those updated in Recruit CRM sync back. Now, with contacts ready, prepare to call them directly within your Recruit CRM dashboard. But first, make sure to install the CrispCall extension on your browser. Then head over to the candidate's contact page beside the number, click on the CrispCall icon, select the call option, and dial to reach out to them instantly. During calls, note key details on the dialer itself and sync them instantly inside Recruit CRM. Along with it, log every detail of each call, their duration, recording, and even SMS without additional effort. Sending them SMS is just the same. Upon clicking the CrispCall icon, choose the SMS option, confirm the number in case of multiple, type your message, and hit send. Managing missed calls also becomes much simpler. With voicemail recording attached as links, you can now make follow-ups immediately and with full context. And just like that, every conversation stays exactly where it belongs with CrispCall and Recruit CRM working together. No manual updates, no missed context, no switching tools. Keep your hiring workflow moving fast, focused, and fully connected. Visit CrispCall.com and integrate Recruit CRM today.